local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
This afternoon, most of us starting out dry. A live look at our Roanoke-Blacksburg Regional Airport Skycam. You see some of those fair weather cumulus clouds for now. Some of them building up, though, because of the heat of the day. Roanoke at 86 degrees. That's also the case in Lynchburg, Smith Mountain Lake, and Martinsville, Covington, and Lexington. We're currently at about 81 degrees. So it's that fuel that continues to increase here over the next several days. And any storms that move into that kind of environment have the potential to turn strong with frequent lightning, heavy rain, and the possibility of localized wind damage or even power outages. Nothing like that happening right now, just a stray downpour around Galax. That's really the only game in town. You see another shower just to the northeast of Pearisburg around Mountain Lake. But there's the bigger area of storms. That's in West Virginia right now. Some of that moving into Bath and Highland County probably within the next 20 to 30 minutes or so, and then moving through the rest of our area roughly between about noon and 6. There you see the higher storm chances, especially for the Roanoke Valley, NRV, and Lynchburg area between roughly 2 o'clock and 5 o'clock, and then moving south from there. But what these clusters of storms do, they release what's called outflow. And what that does is it creates a new boundary for more storms to then develop. Forecast data sometimes has a hard time picking up on that, but that's what we're going to be tracking here over the next several days. So here's tomorrow morning, could very well have another cluster of weakening storms, but it releases that kind of outflow and triggers more showers and thunderstorms heading into tomorrow afternoon. So with the heat tomorrow, again, anything that forms is likely going to be scattered, but could actually turn strong to severe even heading into tomorrow evening. So with that in mind, there you see that severe weather threat from the Storm Prediction Center. That's in effect for tomorrow and then also for Thursday. So it's not to say that everybody's going to see severe weather, right? Because these storms are mostly scattered, but you should at least be aware and checking back for updates here as we go through the next several days. One of the ways that you can do so is with your local weather authority app. All you got to do is look up WSLS 10 weather in your phone's app store. So for tomorrow, temperatures really heating up prior to the development of any storms in the New River Valley, about 86 to 88 degrees. Elsewhere, you're looking at high temperatures mostly in the low to mid 90s, and then we do it all again Thursday. So again, this is outside of any storms that develop. Highs in the 80s in the mountains, but about 90 to 93 outside of those mountains, and really kind of a repetitive pattern throughout the week. We call this pattern the Ring of Fire, not as a scare tactic or anything like that, but you literally have storms forming or firing up on the outer ring of this area of heat. So for the next several days, the chance for scattered storms, also some heat and humidity involved as well. So your extended forecast, you see there, high temperatures, upper 80s and lower 90s here for the next several days. Nighttime lows in the upper 60s and lower 70s. So that's a sign of the humidity that these storms have to play with. So yes, we need the rain. Don't want to be a Debbie Downer the whole time. We need the rain, but just hope that these storms stay below severe limits here for the next several days. After Friday, temperatures, they back off a little bit. We'll see high temperatures Saturday into early next week, mostly in the low to mid 80s, nighttime lows in the low to mid 60s. So we at least take a little bit of humidity out of the equation. But for right now, the best thing to do, check back each day, because the timing, the location of these storms is going to change pretty much with each day.